Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice bounce. I mean, when you look at where it was during its lows, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely had a very nice bounce on the day. However, this leads to the valid question, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all begins with a single level, and that level is right here. And I'm going to just use that green line, move it up here. And that sits at $2.75. Why is $2.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 275. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around a little bit, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? You'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying make progress as 275. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing has changed here from the last time I did the video. So the power of charts, I talked about this area right up there being an area of resistance, and you can see, sure enough, right up there around the 293-ish level, 294 is that level of resistance. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, top priority, in my opinion at least, is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through a healthy consolidation and starting to build higher bases. So no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.